Well, so here is the entrance to Mindo. This is the actual town, and it's about an hour and a half from Quito. We're going to look for a place to stay and then eat. Well, we kind of decided to stay at this Mindo garden place right here in company of my beloved.
Smack me on the bottom.
Shut up. We're debating between, is this the entrance or not? Because it looked like you're just going in the middle of the jungle here. Well, and it looks like it is. We're staying in room number 202. This is a cute cabin. It's like actually 2 rooms per cabin. And it's got a little common living room area right in here. Now
We're coming into the butterfly thingy.
well, this is the butterfly observatory.
Sanctuary.
Or sanctuary. And right there we can get a look at a banana flower. And this is the thing to do right here in Mindo. You can come to see all their butterflies.
There's more than different places.
What are we doing?
We should be looking at some butterflies.
And we're waiting.
Oh,
We're waiting for a guide to take us. Well, now we're heading to the Canopy ride, and here apparently is where they land. Well, basically there's 2 Canopy rides, and this is one of them, and it's run by 2 people from Costa Rica, and the other one is run by the community, and it is pretty much the same. They have one more cable. The one that I just showed you. Okay, we are in our cabin and looking at the river, and we found a few hummingbirds, and there's actually one right there. And another little little bird that we found somewhere. And this is day number 2. We're preparing to go to
breakfast.
Oh yeah. Here, I see you. Oh, right here. We can do this.
alzará, porque tú has sido desde el principio y hasta la eternidad, porque tú has sido desde el principio y hasta la eternidad.
Well, here we came into this private property. Actually, it's owned by the guy who owns the hotel where we're staying, Mindo Gardens. And this guy, he's so kind to show us the place where they have the tilapia growing.
Oh, tilapia.
Here's a
Nice.
little-
Green with black. How come these are orange?
No, because you've seen them fried.
No, honey. The ones that Yvonne picked up in the cannon were black.
Aquí tenemos a Don Gregorio. Y he's going to show us a little bit of the cabins over here. There's some little cabins out here where you can rent to stay the night. Well, so here we're going to the waterfalls. This is the road leading to that. And my suggestion is that you better have a four-wheel drive to get here. Here we're going to the Cascadas of the Nambillo waterfall. And you pay $3 to enter per person. And usually you have a guide, but since today is Monday, then after a long weekend, holiday weekend, everybody's off. But they do let you in, and they have a place here where you can jump into the waterfall, and you can also swim in a swim hall they have. And so this is it.
Porque tú has sido